Yawe ndana ari umuhanga gusa nazo gusanga ari umuhanga undusha.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Homeland made a surprise visit to the plaza, huh?
Ngira ngo Homeland yabatunguje kubasura muri kuri plaza kuri convention.
I'm gonna give you some parting advice.
Yego rwose naguha inama kandi inama nziza, inama itarakagabo.
Okay, get your pals and just start running.
Fata abagenzi bawe bose muri kumwe aho ngaho inshuti zasigaye mutangire mwirukanka.
We gotta go, Michael. We gotta.
Tugende Michael, tugende.
I appreciate all your help, all right?
Byose wamfashije warakoze cyane Michael, wambereye umwana mwiza.
Tell Scylla now.
Nanjye mufite sira ndayikesha wowe.
You're not going anywhere.
Navuga terega ni ahandi sire furi beca ntabwo uri bunshike ngo ugende.
Okay.
Sawa nzaba ndeba niba nari kugucika.
His name is Viking.
Sasanga umukiriya ari hehe? Yitwa Viking. Turamusanga hehe?
Not exactly moving.
Turamusanga Kacyiru hafi y'umugore ucira amazi.
There's about 5 people in the world who know what to do with Scylla.
Hari abantu batanu bose bazi cyo sira yakoreshwamo.
And are willing to pay for it.
Ndetse bose biteguye ko bakwishyura bari tayari none.
We'll stay in here.
Tugende nkwereka umukiriya nyawe. Tibagara guma hanga.
You will remain captive.
Wakigorye witondera abana banjye utabakoraho.
One of them.
Kora amakosa ndakwereka. Ntago ndi bikoreho muri mama. Amutera urushyi muri umu nawe.
How could you?
Gute wakora ibi? How could you?
I'll be back very, very soon.
Ndagaruka rwose ntago ndi butinde.
That man is not going to hurt you.
Kandi rwose umugabo nakiri batware ndagaruka. Urundi rushyi. Mugore n'umushizi w'isoni.
How could you?
Gute wakora ibi kudushimutisha koko?
I'm going to fix this.
Ngiye kubikemura.
Wow, Gretchen, you're making.
Gretchen yakubiswe inshi nyinshi ntago zikimukanga.
Now move your ass.
Baramuhondaguye. Ibi ntago bikimutera ubwoba. Sasa ku ruhande uyahari haje senateri Burezi bavugane.
They're giving us a lot clearer picture of who he is and what he's been up to.
Bagira hanga haba Homeland bagiye kuba baduha amafoto n'amakuru avuga kuri Don Self batwereka icyari cyo n'icyo uzakora mbere hose.
What'd you find out?
Nasa mwabonye iki?
Robert Walker, the new identity Self was planning on using.
Twasanze yabonye ibindi byangombwa bishasha yari yahimbye yita Robert Walker.
Social security number, a bank.
Ndetse twabonye indangamuntu ye tuyikurikiye dusanga afite na konti yari yafunguye konti nshasha.
Payments, credit cards and a flight itinerary.
Ndetse maze no kubona amakarita azajya akoresha yo guhaha nategura kugira ngo ashake itike y'indege. Imuvana ahangaha ejo umunsi w'ejo yerekera mu Buganda.
So
Zengo Self koko n'umugambanyi bana bato mutwihanganire.
First of all, we owe you an apology.
Icyo gihe rwose utubaka imbabazi twabibeshyeho mbere hose.